Hello，大家好。呢個我簡單又簡單，唔會用動物個，用 case 來代表個藝音嚇。而家下尾要四隻音嗬，第一音、第二音、第三音、第四音。呢個夾個夾第一音，而家就唔會用乜嘅動物個，就像寫四字頭個夾呢就第一音。第二音而家面前寫四字頭，後邊寫大字頭，配發四字頭大字頭。第三音而家上三音寫大字頭，I。第四音而家寫面前寫大字頭，後面寫四字頭，就呢四樣呵。係，感謝大家。但係是翻隔練講用英文嚇。We try to use using case to represent the tone in Hakka Chinese. There are 4 tones in Chinese, which is tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, tone 4, represented by these characters. So the first tone, for example, we write ko, kiap, entirely in lower case to represent the first tone. The second tone is represented with lower case on the first half of the sound and upper case on the later the second half of the sound. So this one is pui and fat, and then the third tone is represented entirely with uppercase, in this case I, and the fourth tone is represented with uppercase on the first half of the sound and lowercase on the second half of the sound. And here you can see is example is se. Thank you for listening.